mattress we lie on, we even bought it on credit. Our creditors are after us. Ghana, the whole world, speak for us. The injustice is too much. We are human beings. We have wives, we have children, we have families, and we have responsibilities as well. Where do we begin our life? Should we begin our lives on paying debts? Is that what we wish for ourselves as a country? Ghana, stand up and speak for us.
I say Ghana, stand up and speak for us. Yetumi enya sika de ma party for across board. Nyaga yatam Ghana sika de ma party for. They cannot account for it. Ya normalizing simhunu okurumwa. Kadeche ko kasisi ya kadeche na ehunu amane. Kadeche Afrifa mensa ko kasisi ya me na mehunu amane. Ya normalizing simhunu okurumwa. Ya normalizing simhunu. Nena dollar ba from dollar is duru abochi where 12 cedi. There be a Bank of Ghana say that thing. Abochi no kura dollar no nso 12 cedi. Enra ya masese bi enra masese bi amede kutua school fees. 12 cedi. If so hwehwe bi wo Bank of Ghana no a wono say that 10 no a unya. Me hu ye ka dollar ba from dia and can be reflecting on goods and services. And so kill net abanti dollar na ba from. And so goods and services there be a one in the bones aho. Ose baba yo go down baba yo. Intie eye market for intie omo.
Here bacha ya twa go for so anko. Wo so anko abanche no. For so anko abanche. Last year by this time. But you back 4 million. Omunyanto. A few 100 cities. Ama boni bay. Ama mle ni mo ndi sifo na musuma asunte asama no. Enyina ya dowa ha. Akuya fon kwa no go for so ha. Omo bag 100 cities no. Obi mpo nu abato. Obi nu abato. Last year by this time, bag with 4 million. Omuna mkitango to kodi ya chipa ya choso mpa panchato. Obianya. Afi mhe banchi 100 cedi. Ni egufie nye fie kutoa, ni egufie no mapa ka gude ma. Imu di sindia wa fomu no.
Se motie ya enyame na meka. Enyame na meka. Dollar na di aba fom. Obia nka say aba fom paper so. Uduru paper no so dia dollar na da 10 sa enko ne 10 level. And so for the past 3 months, dollar bia me fa o Ghana bia me fa 12. And so you say dollar do 10. Obi so am say wo hin na nke enko gibi. Unhunu. Yes okopa abochi fo ya che wo mu ne kura dollar so abochi get the dollar. Bank of Ghana get the rate. Ni ade 10 yi pa ye tiri ho sa. Eti meya wo mu exercise sika call China ko fa China nyoma bae. Wo ma hunu se dollar na da 10 ana menti ase enye yi. Ayi amwaten woni guta na ayi tag for eti mo call China no ma hunu se dollar na da 10 timba matem nyoma so. E se dollar na de paper so pe ana da 10. Na nso nya duru fo mo na amwaten ko pe bi di akofa nyoma ba onya no 12 eti nya de obetre nyoma no so. Since I won't hear the India and your man still an boarding. Ne boarding because a tro amemu kill net ya bang a amemu a the fracadam a catamonia moon hununiama. Gold board aboka or so moka, Bank of Ghana aboka or so moka. I feel ye pianco about gold board some Fangosha Bank of Ghana. We some fancy way. With it. You did look at the chief for Mensa. The Baba Somu. Adam DBC. But this year, let me say this once again. MPP munye serious na party no nya akono. Na mon stop esa guy na friend Paul Yando say why no. From that joke creating the image of the party as if say nkola good you need. You guys should stop him. If you want to continue to do concert within political sphere, only form as the communications officer. Now onko ye serial caller and as onko ye ono ana de somewhere else. Obo pa onko ye ayi appear stadium ni yomani bi. Nobody will have a problem with him if he wants to be a Apia Stadium. Apia Stadium or Yadia or Nobetimiayo or major party be a position. You cannot occupy such a high office as that of a communications director and begin to do the nonsense you've been doing. As you say, many party no more bet uncle for party, my dear. Mede de Okatakyie Afrifa mensa. Na me nhyira bebree.